Have you gone to make a call and realised there's no dial tone on your landline phone? In this video, I'll run through what diagnostic checks you can do to get that issue resolved as quickly as possible. So if you've got no dial tone, there's a number of checks we can do. The first of which is for the actual phone itself. If you've got a phone like this, or one that requires power from the mains, just double check that it's plugged in and turned on correctly. If you've done this and there appears to be power running to the phone, just double check if you have a removable phone that it continues to remain powered up. The reason I say that is these handsets tend to be powered by rechargeable batteries and can deteriorate over time. If your phone is powered up when in the base station, but when you remove it from the base station, it either immediately turns off or powers down sooner than you would expect, that could indicate that these batteries are deteriorating. If that is the case, contact the manufacturer of your phone, and they should be able to advise you of a good replacement. However, if all appears to be fine there, or you have a phone that doesn't require power from the mains, the next check we're going to do is to connect directly into the test socket. Now, if you're unsure of how to do that, I go into it in a lot more detail in this video here. For the purpose of this demonstration, however, what I'm going to do is first remove the phone line from the microfilter, remove the microfilter, and then remove the faceplate from the socket. This will now reveal the test socket. What I'm going to do is take the phone line and connect it directly into the test socket. And then I'll check to see whether I have a dial tone on my phone. If I do, then that's great. I've resolved the issue, and the fault is either with the filter or the faceplate. To work out which, simply reverse the steps you've just taken, connecting the phone into the faceplate and then into the microfilter. This should identify which one was at fault. If, however, at this stage you still do not have a dial tone, what we now need to do is to try a completely different phone. And I don't just mean one from the same set. This needs to be a different phone, ideally one that is already known to be working. If you do not have access to this, what you can do is take your phone to another known working line, whether that's a friend's or a neighbour's, just to check and rule out whether your phone is at fault. If your phone appears to be working, or you've tried an alternative phone in your test socket and still do not have a dial tone, what I'd like you to do is call our tech support on the number below, and we'll be more than happy to help. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, do please click on that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, do please click on that subscribe button. But until next time, thank you.